Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak picado. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of sirloin or flank steak, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Dice 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and 3 ripe tomatoes. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and finely chop 1 jalapeno for a little kick. Don't forget your cooking oil, beef broth, and favorite seasonings. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your steak in batches, searing it until beautifully browned on all sides, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once seared, remove the steak from the pan and set it aside, making sure to keep those flavorful pan drippings in the skillet. Next, we'll build our delicious sauce. In the same skillet, add the diced onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they're nice and soft. Then, stir in the minced garlic and chopped jalapeno, cooking for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the diced tomatoes and 1 cup of beef broth, letting it simmer gently. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cumin for authentic flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. Return the seared steak to the skillet, mixing it thoroughly with the rich, simmering sauce. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. This dish is perfect served hot with warm tortillas, rice, or beans. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade steak picado.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.